Hey, what's up guys, Bodhi here and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be about how I made my first, couple of sales, and I'm going to show you how much profit I've made on Teespring. So Teespring tutorial, show you what I've done on Teespring, where I got the design idea, where I marketed it, what happened, like when I posted it, what content I used, literally anything else that I can think of in this video. And I'm just going to be very transparent with you guys. You guys appreciate when I'm transparent, so I really want to blow this channel up. So it's going to be a lot more of me doing these in-person videos and getting to know you guys better. And it's going to be a lot more of showing exactly what I'm doing, how much money I make, where I'm failing, where I'm succeeding, and just showing you guys more of what I'm really getting up to. So in the past, I've probably held back a little bit with showing profit, things like that. But now I just want to, because I'm starting over again, I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I know that's going to be way better for the channel's growth as well, is getting more of a following from showing you guys what I'm doing, what I'm succeeding at, what I'm failing at. So stay tuned in this one as I show you exactly what I've done and show you how you can do it as well. That's the whole point of the channel. And yeah, come along for the ride. If you love this content, please give it a like and please hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so here we are on Teespring, and I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I've done and how you can do it too. So if you want to know how to set up a Teespring store, I do have a video about that as well, so go and check that one out. And pretty much we're just going to go to down here, we'll go to storefronts. There it is, storefronts. And these are the two t-shirts that I have at the moment. So we'll go view store so you can see it. I can make way more in-depth videos, which I will, on how to customize all this stuff, how to customize your store, etc. But I really just want to get to the point of this, like how I made these sales and what I've earned and how you can do it as well. So we're just going to go view store, and I'll show you the one. So this is very basic. The brand that I've gone with is called Pup Club, and that's a brand that I've built for a reason, and I'll dive more into that in another video as well. So I want this video to be very specific about the sales, but these other things, if you have questions, ask them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them for you, and I'll definitely answer them in upcoming videos. So as you can see on the store, I only have 3 things here. And you'd be wondering, like, how did you actually make sales then? Because it is true, you probably want more things on your store, but I just wanted to do a bit of a test this first time round, and I'll show you what I did. So this was one that's on a video the other week, last week, sorry, not the other week, it was only a few days ago. And this was one of my friends, and his girlfriend wanted this sort of shirt, and I made one and then sent it to him just to show him that I can do these things. So this is what we're talking about here today though. These 2 shirts, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So these are both women's shirts, and that's the people that I'm targeting. I'm targeting girls that love dogs, and that's what Pup Club's going to be all about. It's going to be directly targeted towards girls, because my dog, which is this dog here, the one in the photos, Hershey the Choc Lab, you've probably seen her Instagram. If you haven't, she's just crossed 11,000 followers today. So that's something I've been working on in the background, but kind of keeping quiet because I wasn't really showing everything I was doing. But now I'm just going to be an open book with this channel, because it's the best way to grow the channel, and it's the best way for you guys to get to know me and also learn along the way. So with her following, that's the reason that I've built Pup Club, and that's the reason that I'm targeting girls with these sorts of shirts, because I know that 70% of my followers, or Hershey's followers, are female. So of course I'm going to target them with t-shirts that they're going to be interested in. So that's, I guess, lesson number 1, is to know your audience. So this shirt here, very basic, wears black, loves dogs, avoids people. This is it on the store, you can see. This pricing is set in Australian, but you can set it in USD. I was targeting people in the US, but then it has a pretty basic, basic bit of a bio here on it, and it's still sold. So that's pretty funny, because I didn't even really put much work into that at all. And it's such a basic shirt, and it comes in one color: wears black, loves dogs, avoids people. So where did I get this idea from? Let's go for a look. So Etsy is going to be one of your #1 resources when looking up t-shirt designs. So if we just go dog t-shirt, we'll either find this one or we'll find one similar. And what you want to be looking for here is which ones are sold the most. So see this here. So this here, 3,600, 3,600, 2,781, 3,895, 6,980. Like, these are the things you're looking for. So what's this telling me? This is giving me social proof that this t-shirt does well. So then what I would break it down to is actually searching this actual slogan by itself. So I'm 99% sure my soulmate is a dog. So if we just put soulmate is a dog, so now it's going to bring up heaps of these things. Now we're going to see, is there other people doing well with it, or is that the same thing? That's the same thing, same thing. It's going to show me a lot of different ones here. But really what I'm looking for is it just a one-off, or are other people making money from it? So here's another one. And then you want to just do your research that way and look through them all. And you can see here it is again, my dog is my soulmate. This one here, that's a very basic, terrible looking shirt, but still, it's doing well. My dog is my soulmate, and they're all making sales here, as you can see. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for social proof, and Etsy is one of the best sort of places to do it. So all I really did was found, wears black, loves dogs, avoids people. All I really did here was look at the ones that have done well. Look at the logo design. It's very basic. Pretty much any sort of white text is almost going to do. And I just looked at the ones that were doing well and pretty much made my own version. And so that's all I did, guys. It's very basic. It looks just like this pretty much. And then I put it onto Teespring, and then I made an Instagram for Pup Club, and then I posted it to my following, which is Hershey the Choc Lab on Instagram. So hang on a sec, I'll just find her. I didn't need to put on Instagram, but anyway. This will probably bring it up. Or Social Blade down there, I should have looked at that. mystalk.net, whatever this is, but it should bring up her account. So here you go, guys. I crossed 11,000 followers today, and as you can see right here, this is when I posted the t-shirt. And then something else that I've done that's very important to me, but is also a good selling point, is, as you can read here, $1 from every sale will go to animal shelters for shelters for dogs in need. So that's something that I'm very passionate about, but it's also something that other people are very passionate about. So not only am I creating a brand called Pup Club, which is like you're part of a club, which everyone wants to be part of, not only am I targeting girls that follow my following with a t-shirt that they would like, and a t-shirt that has social proof that I know for a fact, also this is going to a good cause. So there's like lots of reasons that people would want to buy this shirt, not only for the fact that it's just a shirt, but for the fact that it's going to a good cause, and it's also a targeted shirt for things they're interested in. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I don't want to go rant on too much about this. I don't want the video to get too long, but I hope you're enjoying this sort of content and me showing you what I'm actually doing here. But let's go back to Teespring just to finish off this, because there's going to be a lot more Teespring videos as I get into it. And let's just go to analytics, and I'll show you that as you can see here, just from doing that one post, I made 2 sales. So 2 sales with a total profit of $21.50, because it's about $10, whatever that is, $10.75 profit per shirt. So yeah, you can see where I posted it and then the peak up and then another one there. What's interesting here that I found interesting is there was only 17 views, but it got a sale. So that's a pretty good strike rate, if you will. And then on the next day, there was only actually 6 views, but I got another order as well. So that's cool, and it's very yeah, it's really cool to show that me doing all this research, because I'm not just putting a design on a shirt and hoping that it sells. I'm finding designs that already sell, and then I'm finding designs that are targeted to a certain niche that I know that I have in my following, and then I'm getting people to purchase based on all of these things because I know that it's going to be something that they're interested in. So stay tuned as I continue to do this and show you that this works over and over again. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I'm looking to blow my YouTube channel up. I want you guys to be along for the ride, and I want to show you everything I'm doing so that you can go out and do the same thing. So stay tuned for more of these videos. Please give the video a like if you stayed to the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because there is going to be more of this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.